Cool. Hello, everyone. We're back, and I'm going to continue working on this UI. So where we left off last time was I need to move all of the UI elements down a little bit. It's going to be a bit of a pain, but it has to be done. So UUF, that's unhalted unit frames. Player position. I'll try and bring it down like, oh no. X position 300 says Y. What about 295? We'll bring it down by 20 pixels. 20 pixels should do. And then target 300. Yep. And now I guess that's actually all. Focus. So that can be 80. Welcome back. Selene, we'll see how this goes, yeah? And if I'm happy with it, then I might just make it available for subs. Yeah, we'll see. You remember to make the damage meter the biggest thing you can see? Yeah, nah. Right, cool. That's that. And now I need to move the potions and stuff. So that's arc UI. So potions, position. So let's make this minus 367. No. Minus 368 maybe. And then take that down by another 20. So 344. Okay, that still isn't right. RQI 40. Bit more. RQI 371. Is that right? I think it's 1 pixel. I think it's 1 pixel. Yeah, 1 pixel. How long until the new expansion? It's like a month away. A little bit more than a month. That is good now. Okay. And now RQI again. I'm gonna have to move all of these groups down. By 20. Main 2. 8. Rampage. Minus 188. And yep, and now it's just the bars. Enrage. Edit. Bar position. 215. $60. No, Galeheart. I don't know any solution to that, unfortunately. Rage bar. I need to move the actual rage bar a little bit up because the gap here is bigger than the rest. RQI rage bar. Move it up. Maybe something like that. Maybe 0 gap is good. RQI. Whirlwind. Move it down by 1 pixel. No. Down. And then I need to move the others down by 2 pixels as well. CDM bars, main 1, 90. That is good, right? Let's see. Yeah. Nice. Good. So that's that then now, and I need to adjust things around so that I can see my cooldowns in the order that I want to. Yeah, these are not supposed to be here. I was just making sure that the main thing here worked. So, let's see, show recordings, go into any of my old keys. This will do. Oh, I guess that's an update. All right. Add them for resources, ArcUI. Okay. We'll make the top slightly bigger so we can edit the essential thing. ArcUI. Don't read run here. So the main stuff only. Avatar goes here. I just use my trinket. Does that show up now? Yeah. Oh yeah, there it is. Yeah, ArcUI looks very good. I'm happy with it so far. So like that then. What else do I want on here? I think that's it for Thane. Thane doesn't have all that much, huh? The UI is going very well. Look, we're working on it. Will this be annoying when I play Slayer? I think so. Yeah, okay. That's good though. So the main cooldowns, they need to be bigger, so maybe 44. 44 seems decent. Offset 0. Oops, minus 320. Maybe make them line up with health bars. Yes. In which case, we'll move it like here so I can see it. One more pixel. 323. Yes, that is good. And then back to 0 offset. I want something to be here though, but like it's annoying with Bladestorm going having to take that place. Do I like the avatar Bladestorm choice note? No, I don't. Okay, anyway, let's just keep working on this for now. This group, the essential group, only needs 1 row. Good. And then utility. So much stuff on here. So charge, leap. That's wrecking throw there, but I don't think I'll bother. Oh, actually, no. Wrecking throw should be with pummel, I imagine. Only 1 row. Charge, leap, piercing howl. Yeah, sure. It should stay on there, really. That's gonna really annoy me. What can I put there? DPS spot in that spot? No, I have that here. I mean, it should be Bladestorm there. That's the thing. I'm just gonna put charge there. Because Bladestorm can go into the avatar spot. I like to look that up. That looks nice. Okay, and then obviously these bars. I need to make a new thing just for my defensives here. Oh, enraged region, huh? Ah, ha 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 ha. Ah, yeah, right. Let's just drop Massacre for a second. I don't know. I'm okay with it being here. Wait, what's this? What did it add there? Oh, I see. RQI. Get rid of this. Seven. 0. Wait, what did it do? Okay. Oh my god, what an absolute pain. My UI is getting there. Yeah. Hjälp mig. What with? What's up? Alright, I'm gonna make a new group. Defensives, yeah. Rows 1, columns, we can just have 3. And how big should they be? Fairly small. Same as the potion, probably. So if I go to the potion one, pot utility, scale 34. Scale 34. Actually, maybe slightly bigger is fine for them. So 36. Hope the eye is doing well from surgery I had later. Oh, yeah, late last year. Yeah, it's doing very well, thank you. The surgery did exactly what I needed to do, and my eye has healed beautifully. So it couldn't have gone better. So enrage region here, spell effect here, IV here. So I'm just gonna got this here for now. We're gonna have to take it down a few pixels. RQI to let's try that. 215. Let's see how that looks, and then 60. Oh, we almost got it right on the first try. I did. Spotches. One more pixel. Yep. I also don't want any spacing. Oh, 0 spacing. And that means I need more RQI. 210 maybe. Is that one too many? That's one too many. Will this be shared? Maybe. Maybe one space. Oh, but then I had to mess with it again. Yeah, this is good. This is good. Ooh, it's looking clean. Now I need attract buffs. How do I delete this? Okay, there you go. I don't think I want to track around at all, actually. Right-clicking it? No. Whirlwind Stacks is, again, from the ArcUI. Ah, that's it. Now it's gone. Perfect. I don't want this either. Did it? Oh, it's just out there. Oh, right click to remove. There we go. It was that easy. Berserker Rage. Huh. Oh. I don't really like having it there, but it's kind of useless. Like, it's so rare that I use it. Can I add Shadow Meld? Oh no, that was the one thing I was struggling with earlier. I'll check on. I don't know. Maybe it does. I don't know. I don't know. You can check his Discord. Maybe it's been updated. Right. I'll deal with the Berserker Rage later. Yeah, I think I'm making a small action bar with 1 or 3 buttons for Berserker Rage and Shadow Melt. You're right. I'm gonna put it like next to the pot and stuff, but like slightly smaller. So buffs. I'm gonna put. Oh. What did I just do? Where did recklessness go now? Oh, here. Oh. How does this work exactly? Ah, here it is. Wait. How do I make it so that avatar shows up there? Reload. Do I have it set to hidden? Maybe. Oh, something happened with the positioning for the main icons. Okay, whatever. We'll sort that in a bit. They're showing now. There they are. RQI buffs. How do I make them only show when the aura is active? Is that possible? Bro, what? I don't want them to show all the time. I just want to know when they're active. Change or edit mode. Okay. So this thing, yeah? No, it's not gonna do it, is it? Yeah. That it doesn't. I don't know. Targeted spells is called. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to find. Like, if it's not active, can I set it to 0? Oh, the whirlwind thing. The whirlwind disappeared. Oh, okay. Yeah, why did whirlwind disappear? That's what's missing here. That's what the gap is here. RQI. What happened to whirlwind? Bars? Whirlwind. Why did it fail? Open CD manager. There we go. Now it's back. Yeah, I dragged whirlwind out earlier by mistake. Okay, that didn't do a thing. Yeah, sure. Tea drinker. All I want is a buff tracker, and I want it to only appear. Like, I only want the buffs I track to appear when they're active. Like, when they're not active, I don't care about them. Hey, meet up. You didn't? Okay. RQ. Oh, icons CDM. Oh, right. RQI icons CDM CDM icon. Select buffs in the filter tab. Huh. Ah, buffs. Aura missing. Edit all. Okay. Oh, wait. Accept this one. No, I'll just... There we go. Yeah, fine. And then opacity 0. Where? Aura missing. Like that. Okay. Right, cool. So how do I drag another avatar into here? I've got 2 recklessnesses. How can I get another avatar? Shift click it. No. CDM. Okay. Oh, track buffs. Okay, maybe I can do it from there. No. From here? Hmm. Is avatar hiding somewhere and I don't see it? I haven't been to a raid now. I don't see avatar hiding anywhere. I feel like this should be easy. I'm trying to add, like, I already have my Recklessness and Avatar spell cooldown in here. That's fine. Now I need to add Recklessness and Avatar to my buffs bar. Just so I can see how long they're active. Should I reset for those two? They're buffs. Okay, I'm gonna do it. And where are they? Nowhere. I set the alpha to 0. Yeah. Yeah, that might be it. Did that save it? I still don't see anywhere. Yeah, details is working, but it's just a reskin of the Blizzard thing. But worth taking still. Probably need to be in combat. Do you think so? I didn't do it. Okay. Yeah, let's reload. Or even relog. I don't know. Ah, now it's showing. Okay. Yeah, it needed that. Fine, cool, right. Now, buffs, avatar, and this. I'm gonna just change those around. Aura missing, there. So now, when I use it, it should show up. So RQI, buffs. I'm gonna put those two in the middle, I guess. And they can be smaller as well. Icon appearance. Ooh, I can make it less tall. That's also really good. So like, something like that. Oh, maybe that didn't work. Maybe it does work. I just need to see it. It's to 28 for that. 28 for that. And then we changed the group position to 0. Offset minus 50. Nope. More. something like that for now. Let's see. The name is RQI. Alright, so if I use Avarecta, yeah, there we go. Good. I can move them down a little bit more. It didn't make them flatter though, like I thought they would. Like I thought it would. But maybe I need to change that in the actual group. Okay, let's try that. Group. Height, 28. That squished them rather than... No, this is Plater. It is Plater. Slash streamer? What do you mean? Somehow he's doing it, Mito. I wonder if I do this, will it change? No, it won't know. It doesn't know. Oh, it does know. It must have found a way. No. Yeah, that'll do for now. I need to change the cast bar positions. So that's back to unhalted, I think. UUF. Player. Cast bar. Anchor from... Anchor to nothing. No. Fine. Doesn't matter. Uh, 319. We can make this bigger. Oops. Yep. My Plater profile is literally Jundi's Plater. Here. Since I'm set on these 5 icons, should I make it so that the rage bar and stuff is exactly as long as the CDM 5 icons? I think so, right? That I don't know, Muto. Rage bar size 235. A little bit more. our position here is 64. 3, 2. Yeah, okay. A little bit shorter. I think it's slightly shorter again. Yes, ever so slightly. RQI. No. 28. 28. What's my typo for details? Oh, you mean, what's it called? Font. Expressway. I don't know. I'm very happy with how this RQI is working. I just grabbed that one first and it's working. So I don't feel like I should swap now. Okay. So 228. There. Oh, crap. I should have taken note of... Actually, no, it's fine. We'll just wing it. 243. That's too much. 241. 40. 39. Oh. 38. The smallest space between. Should I have that? Or should I have them completely stacked? I'll have them stacked. I'm able to export my RQI. Is that a feature? Looks like it. Oh, export bars. Yeah, looks like there is something here. We'll figure it out. Groups. Now I need to change the... I can't do multiple groups at once. Okay. So let's do main. Move that down 4 pixels. 5 is right, I think. Yeah. So main 2, 5 down. Ramp 5 down. And then buffs also 5 down. Okay, okay. Okay, this is workable. Looks good, right? And now I need a target cast bar. Target cast bar, I don't think I should have it there. Or should I? Maybe it's fine there. I think I wouldn't mind having the cast bar on top instead and have the buffs and debuffs at the bottom. It's all RQI, like the resources and icons that's all RQI. That sounds illegal. Moving the cast bar on top. Yeah. It'll be more visible though. I'll just leave as is, I think. And focus cast bar. That I want to change. Focus cast, RQI. No. UUF. Focus cast bar. If I can move that. Can I clear the anchor? I cannot. Alright, fine. I'm gonna have to find the perfect. That looks close enough. Actually, I need it to be taller. $28. Yeah. And then I'll put it like here. Okay, Vodi. And then edit mode. Wait, edit mode. Adjust it. No. This is homemade. Everything homemade. I don't remember the name of that Finrod. I got that from the Atrocity UI, and that seems to have stayed with this pre-patch as well. Okay, target the spells. That mage needs to keep casting so I can see. Show grid. Snap to elements. Are you casting? Come on, cast some stuff. Bruh. I don't see anyone casting. Oh, there's a Moonkin. Okay. Looks good. No, I'm definitely using add-ons here. I'm using add-ons, and I'm making it look as similar to my old UI as possible with the tools that I've got. Let's see, what was I thinking of? Oh yes, targeted spells. Where's the TTS thing? I hear that you need to use the TTS. Maybe it's not in here yet because it's not working yet. Well, it's still really useful. Yeah. And we're going to make a UI video. I mean, I wasn't planning to, but I don't know. It depends how well this goes, I guess. Better ability timeline. Huh? Is that it? That little thing there? Uh, Hold on. Maybe that wasn't the right add-on. Ability timeline. Midnight. What was that the add-on? Better timeline? No. Ah, okay. I already have big wigs. Or at least I'm pretty sure I do. So if I reload now. Been testing out Fury. Is Thane pretty much just valuable for M+, or would it be decent in raid? It would be decent in raid. It would be best for any fight that has more than one target. What was I looking for again? Fucking hell. I forgot what I was doing. Ability timeline. What the hell? Oh, really? Oh my god. Gameplay enhancements. Boss warnings. Boss timeline. Yeah. Yeah. So we found it. It's enabled. How do you make tracked whirlwind and enrage buff just an icon and not the bar? You just use the icon version. Like there's an icon and a bar version on RQI. Right, edit mode again then. Like surely I should be able to. Ah, is this big icon? Durability. Oh, there it is.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, now it's showing. Wait, what?
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1.
There we go. Can't seem to change the size of this. The icons, that is. Oh, really? I see. 1 second. Yeah, I do have big wigs as well, so that's probably what it is. Okay, big wigs. Timeline. Okay, maybe that does it. SMF transbug? No, not for me. How good is arms right now? No, it's not good. It was there? It was this thing, yeah? I disabled that. It looks good now.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I unchecked it. Should I check it? Count down 10. What the hell? There we go. Yeah, it just works. I don't want this pull timer.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
It is time to read the UI stuff, yes.
5, 4, 3.
Do you press rend on single target? I actually don't know at the moment. It costs no rage, right? Probably use it as a filler. No, Furizawa. Those points will go straight into your Apex talents. Like, your talent tree is complete here now. Whirlwind and Clap does apply rend. Sorry, not Whirlwind, just Clap. So as Slayer, you would probably rend as a filler, yes. Yeah, to question these changes when you see everyone recreating the exact same UI they had pre-patch, yeah. I mean, the really OP weak auras, like the ones that solved boss fights, they won't be usable anymore, right? So they succeeded at that, and it's just really annoying for everyone else trying to recreate their UIs to look the same way as before. Like, this is just cosmetic. I'm not getting an advantage from this. It's just the way I want to see things. Okay, what else can we do now? So we got focus cast. Focus, focus, focus. It must be this. Nope. Mouse over focus. Raid marker, macro, mouse over. This is it. Yeah. So, actually, which one was my marker? What was the number for my marker? Number 2. Orange. Perfect. Oh, distance. Oh, thank you for mentioning that. How do I deal with that? I can't track that in CDM, can I? No. No, I'm not using Atrocity yet. RQI. CDM icons, buffs, spell reflect, aura missing, boom, gone. Cool. Beta notes out. Oh, interesting. Let's have a look. Wow head. Hybrid off healing increased. Okay. Whatever. Anything for us? I mean, fine. It's good. It's a good change, but like, bro, you gave Colossus a crumb, but Colossus needs a whole loaf of bread. We got a singular crumb. All right. Anyway. I haven't decided what I'm gonna do with the UI yet. Like, if I'm super happy with it, and I'm like happy for people to, like, happy enough with it to have people sub for it, then I might do it. But for now, let me just think about it. I don't know what I want to do yet. So heroic strike will proc a lot more often. It will reduce the cooldown of Colossus Smash by less. Master Tactician nerfed by a lot. Battle Lord now reduces the rage cost of your next heroic strike. Okay. It doesn't really do anything for me. Oh, we get way more often Odin's Fury. with the set bonus. But like, Odin's Fury is still really underwhelming. But like, sure, that's a lot more CDR, I guess. It just means that you'll just be sending Odin's Fury sort of willy-nilly whenever. It's never gonna line up with Avatar and Recklessness. Strange that we're unable to track Executioner stacks from Slayer. Yeah. It is. It is pretty irrelevant, but it would be nice to know. Okay, are we happy with this now? Oh yeah, damage text. So enable damage numbers. Wow. It's just a console command, but I don't remember it. Come on. Oh my god. This thread will have it, surely. There we go. Thank you. Yeah, defensive stance. I'm not sure what to do with that. I think it has to be a bar, a separate bar, and I'll put it like on my health frame somewhere, or maybe above spell effect and that. That's Arc UI, Westmark. And I also need to add an extra bar for. I was hoping to put Shadow Meld and Berserker Rage on it. But I don't know if I have enough spare bars. Bartender. That should work. Can I skin this somehow? Because this looks so ugly. Yeah, surely I can skin it because these are skinned. Insane, dude. Bonus action bar. Yeah, okay. LVI. Okay, LVI. Nice, good. Noah Devil, thank you for the tier 1. How do I keep track of Wind Fury? Oh, Whirlwind, you mean? Is this blue bar here? Four sections. Oh. You mean the stance macro? Right. Sure. I have the stance macro. So bartender. Wait, I can just do stance. Oh no. No. Can I just enable this and use that? Yeah, I can. Good. Perfect. One button, one row. Two buttons. One row. Okay. And then remove that here. Make it smaller. Like so. Put this here for now. Okay, good. And then that looks alright there actually. So if I now put Berserker Rage there and Shadow Melt there. Perfect, good. And then put my stance macro here. Bartender. Text. Can I just not have text? Hide macro text. Oh, that's the wrong one. There. Why am I so shiny? I'm a rare Pokemon. This mask. This LVI. Yeah, I know it's reversed, but I'll know what that means. If I want to go into these stands, I go into these stands. I don't like that. I don't like how that looks. But also, I want it to be very visible. I think we slide the CDM to the side. We have these stands at the corner. Yeah. Bro, where did it go? 1 pixel. Can I like do any fine moving here or positioning? Yes. Minus 209. No, 211. Nope, one more. Actually, maybe it was right. RQI. Bartender. 211. That looks right to me, but let's check, double check. No, one more. So the defensives group needs to be moved. No, that's... Maybe try this 260. 260. Looks good. Yeah, the 4 lines are my whirlwind stacks. ER not showing anymore. Oh, right, yeah. No, ER is not. ER is not showing because I don't have it talented. If I talent into it, it should show to the left of impending victory. Oh, yes, yes. Okay. Now, party frames will be an issue. I don't need this Berserker Rage tracked anymore. Macro. No, not macro. CD. Berserker Rage, go away. Cool, that's gone. Cooldown text on bartender. How do I get that? Bonus action bar. How do I see cooldown text? Macro text, count. Oh, is it like this? Show numbers of cooldowns. Ah, yeah, perfect. That's good. Four lines for Whirlwind is from RQI. It takes a little bit of time to set up. You can watch the VOD from to the. You can watch this VOD or the previous VOD because I've been working on it this whole evening, basically. Okay. Should I go into a follower dungeon now then, and see what I can do? Because Anhalter doesn't have party frames, which is annoying because I do use those. Blizzard raid frames should be enough for now. Follower dungeon, Rookery. Do not like Sal? I was just thinking, like, I don't really want to add another add-on. Okay, so there's party. Edit mode. Party. What controls the debuffs? Or whatever this is. Oh, these are targeted spells. Okay, that's fine. I can have that. I can have it like that. That's fine. So height, shorter. Wider. Oh no. Yeah. I'll put it like here. That should be fine.
Thank the Titans you are here. The Storm Perch has been breached, and the Storm Riders corrupted.
Okay. I want something to skin raid frames. I had an add-on called raid frame settings for that. But that doesn't seem to work. Maybe I just get Cell then. This one. Cell isn't working at the moment. Oh, crap. Right. We'll just live with this. Actually, no. Laren recommended something. Laren recommended Unhalted. Dunder frames. That's the one. That's the one I was thinking of. Dunder frames. Wow. Yes, this'll do. No. The hell? What am I doing? Oh. Skip. We didn't need that in the end. Get rid of this. Good old WinRAR. One day I'll be rich enough to pay for WinRAR. Oh, I just abandoned my follower dungeon. You surprised I don't use Wago app? Yeah, same. Oh, this looks nice. So down there's. How do I open it? DF? Yes. So what is this frame? Party. Okay, now I can grab it. Charlie. No. Unlock. Oh, this looks so good. Actually, I'll put it up here. It's fine. Yeah. RIP nameplate SCT. Yeah. RIP that indeed. Frame padding. Do I want any padding? Maybe a little bit. Oh, no. Spacing. Yeah. Okay. Nice. Oh, it shows missing battle shot? Lifesaver. Oh my god. Global font. Expressway. Where are you? There. Plateau. Missing buffs. Only works out of combat. Yeah, that's fine though. That's still good enough. Appearance scale anchor to the right. Yeah, I think that's good. Text. Name text. Anchor will have top left. Offset a little bit. Font size more. I don't think. Yeah, okay, we can. So why is the roll icon not showing now? $19 offset. Oops. That's fine. No, minus 3. That's too much. Let me think. Maybe I just put it at the top right. Just like it was before. Top right. What was the offset here? 4. Minus 4, rather. It is so annoying, isn't it? Oh, good. Yep. Maybe we can make the font slightly bigger, actually. We'll do 16. Actually, maybe that's too much. 14 will do. So if I go into a follower dungeon now. Yeah, so I've got Rage, Enrage, Whirlwind stacks as bars. Yeah, this looks good. Can I change the absorb texture? I don't like that. DF. Absorb. That one is not very visible. Nah. They're all kind of ugly, but at least it works. Yeah. Okay. Go ahead. Is there a smart way of opening edit mode? No, I don't think so. Mythic Plus Timer add-on is called Mythic Plus Timer or M Plus Timer. Okay. Thunder. Okay, let's just jump into pack and see how does this feel. The targeted spells thing is kind of off.
What is that orb? It's radiating dark energy, and it's affecting the storm rocks.
I'll do.
While you go to the roosts, I will distract them here. We can link up later.
Am I going to customize the bottom action bars? Bottom action bars? Which ones? What do you mean? I think this looks good the way it is. Oh yeah, details is kind of bugged, huh? So I was targeted by 3 spells then, that's working. Oh, where my actual keybinds are. Oh no, I don't care about that. That's all hidden. I don't need to see that. That would be useless information. Okay. Okay. It's fine. I got it. I got it, game. I got it. I got it. I got it. I understand. Let's bug grabber and bug sack. Yep, we're getting a few errors. At least it's constant. Alright. How do I open the bug grabber or bug sack? Didn't open. Bug grabber 1. Ah, here it is. Details. It's details. Weak auras. Bigwigs.
Insane, dude.
Wait, what? Oh, okay. No. Current session. Okay. Let's disable add-on details for a moment. Okay, no more errors. It was just details, huh? Oh, it's up here. Oh my god, it's so ugly. Not now. Targeted spells. Button glow. Okay. Why can I not change? The icons are too big compared to the bars. Like... Alright, fine. What's this? Okay, thank you. kill me. Why is this as far as it goes? Like, why can it not move further to the right? Insane, dude. Thank you for the sub there, Blomberg. Appreciate that. All right. If I go into a follower raid, does that count as a raid? Like, do I get raid frames? No, not a follower raid, but like story mode raid, you know? Just you use raid test mode? Yeah, okay. Yeah, you're right. This looks good enough though. Oh, yeah. There was a debuff there, but I think the debuff size was fine. Raid frame settings. I don't even have raid frame settings right now. Okay. I mean, it's enabled. Raid frame settings. Just disable that for now. I just hearted out the instance. Yes. I could have just left. No details for now. They will fix it though. They will make it work.
Understand your frustration, Gaora, but do not rush to conclusions.
Okay. DF. Raid. Test. Okay. Unlock. So it should be here. I'm going off my camera position. I must say, you guys should check out my sponsor. Yeah, this'll do. Frame rate width. The debuffs are way too big on the raid frames. Wait, what is it that I'm seeing here? Boss debuffs? What is this huge icon? So it's not that. It's boss debuffs. Thank you. Maybe boss debuffs is okay to keep on, but it doesn't need to be that big. Anchor center. Yeah, let's just try that. Further up a bit. Yeah. No, I needed it there. Like I kept looking over to my preview so that the raid frame aligns properly with my, where my camera is. You know? This was for you guys. How do I do story mode raid? Do a few reloads? Okay. Oh yeah, I don't need the fatality thing anymore. We found out it was details anyway. I already did that. Crazy. And it didn't do anything. Alright, see you, buddy. Let's go to the entrance of the raid then and try and do story mode raid so we can see how it looks.
The Shadow Guard continue their assault on Kazavesh. We need your help to repel the invaders and re-establish our defenses.
Oh. Interact. Enable interact key. There we go. Why did that get changed?
Shadow Guard have reinforced their position. We must disrupt
Why am I in an instincts group?
before they can
Leave.
launch an all-out assault.
Oh, it's the follower dungeon I was doing. So I was keeping them captive, wasn't I?
Their garrisons. We can't let them keep this foothold.
Yeah, we saw that, Mason, but it's like, whatever.
Uncollected mana and drive them out of their bases.
So, who do I talk to? Proceed with mana. Okay, alright. No, I don't know what I'm doing for fonts. I actually don't know. It just... The font I wanted, Expressway, was working. That's all I know. So where's my raid? Oh, here it is. I guess that's fine. So when group 3 and 4 show up, it moves properly. Okay. Wait, do I want the vertical, don't I? Yeah. I think I usually had the raid growing vertically. Yeah. So then... Something like that. Yes. this is good. I don't think I want to see power on raid frames. DF. Or do I? Do you want to see mana and such things on our raid frames? What do we think? No? No. Okay. Resource bar. Disable. Boom. And we want the name in the center, right? So text, name text. Okay. Name text in the center. Actual center, please. Is that actually center? Yeah, I guess it is. Is it? It doesn't look like it. There, that looks centered now to me. Maybe I should do that. I didn't have that in the first place for Laren because I had a separate thing to see his mana, right? These NPCs have got long names. Yeah, they do. I figured actually, even though Krenna Earth Daughter's name goes outside of the box, it doesn't matter because in Raid, nobody will have that long of a name. Or Warlord Brekka Grimax. What do we think? What do we think to the roll icon? I think it looks a bit weird, right? But I want the roll icon. But where do I put it? Okay, ready check icon is fine. I like it like that. Bottom right for you? Mine is usually bottom left, I'm pretty sure, but... No, let's do bottom left. Sorry, top left. But maybe it's the offset that is annoying me here. So if I put 0. 0. Maybe 1. I don't know. Okay, this seems fine. So let's just run into the boss and actually I can just fight this thing and or I should start raid combat and just see like raid boss and see what it looks like. My damage meter profile? There's no profile. It's just damage meter. Oh wow. Yeah, you're right. Can I hide this? There we go. That was enhanced QOL, by the way. What an add-on. It has a lot of stuff.
We won't. Not alone.
Okay, can I start? Yeah. Okay, so the timeline add-on is too big. I don't know if I can change the size of that, or if I'm just stuck with this size. Obviously, the UI looks pretty nice, doesn't it? I can change the damage font though, right? Can't you just change the damage font file in the game?
We're in Demencius' domain now. So stay close and listen to me.
That's what we used to do back in the day, I'm pretty sure. With add-ons such as nice damage text or whatever. Or it did something similar at least. Huh? What are we doing here? What the hell is this? Oh! Right, this is the story mode part, version of this fight. Okay, you guys are in your own. I've seen what I needed to see.
Reinforce their garrisons. We can't let them keep this foothold. Gather the uncollected
What the heck, you were learning? Yeah, sorry.
out of their bases.
Yeah, exactly. So I just need to find the font. Because I used to have an add-on, we used to have an add-on back in the day called the Nice Damage font. And I grew quite attached to that font for damage. I would like to use that again if I can't use an add-on for it. Yeah, I know the add-on is gone. The Pepsi font. Okay, thank you. That's exactly what I was looking for. So, Pepsi font. So this. Yeah, that's the one. Thank you. So I just wait. I'll just copy that. So which one is the damage font? Every PvP video had that font. I know. Ugh. This one says something about it. Scurry. Okay. Oh, crap. Scurry.ttf. Just scurry. Okay. I don't know if it matters if this is caps. I don't think so. So now, log out. Scurry is unit frames? Call it damage. Well, I don't know what we just did now, so let's see how that goes. What's my DPS looking like with a squish? I don't know. Pepsi font are instant memories of the Landsoul, Bladestorming, and Madness of Deathwind. Yeah. See, I used to use this this thing back in the day before I changed to nameplate scrolling combat text. Am I in PTR? No, this is live. That didn't do anything. Did it actually? Yeah, I restarted the game. 4 years ago. No. I don't know. Ugh. Nice damage reloaded. Okay. Thank you, thank you. Let's try that. 3 years ago. And this one works? That's the nice damage font. Oh. This one. Wago add-ons. Yes. Okay. Reload. Escape, options, add-ons, nice damage. Okay. Oh. Pepsi! Okay. It doesn't look like that, does it? I need to relog. Okay. Yeah, no, I had 2 font folders because one was font copy, so that one won't be read by the game, will it? I just made a copy of it to back it up just in case, you know. This is unhalted unit frames plus Danders frames. Danders for the party and raid frames. Unhalted for player target. Target of target. Focus. Okay, yeah, those are the all damage numbers. I'm okay with this. I can play with this. I can play with this. Let's go. This one is modern. Should I try the non-modern one? Yeah, same Moon, same. But this will do for now. Pepsi cursive? I feel like it's not that, is it? Yeah, you had to do stuff in both CDM and RQI, Ollie, to get things to work. Yeah, what is this scrolling combat text? I think that's probably like something that doesn't work at the moment. Or ever again. Yeah, exactly. Okay, so Executioner's Wrath would be a buff I would like to track. Nah, probably not. Like, it would be nice to... It would be something that I would put on my buff tracker if I had weak auras, but like, it's just not worth the effort now, and it probably isn't even possible to do so. Yes, 2 doors, what's up? I'll use this for a bit. See if I like it. But right now, I like it. It's better than the old text I had. Yeah. RQI can you can add things like trinkets to it, items. That's how I added my potions. Rage tracker, also RQI. I think I need to make a video about this, possibly. Arc UI, 2 doors. Is it behind the paywall? Not at the moment. To be decided. I don't know what I'm doing yet. My title has a plate? Huh? The emoji? Oh, Moon did that because we're cooking. Yes. I don't think so, right, Moon? Or is that like a new thing that stops people from putting that behind a paywall? Oh, okay. All right, then maybe I won't do that then. If I can't even consider doing that. Are we actually pressing Bloodthirst? Yes, Bloodthirst is high prio with Mountain Thane. Yeah, this is exactly why I was using details and the Blizzard damage meter at the same time on the beta. Because you can see DPS and damage done at the same time. Like, bro, what is this?
Insane, dude.
$2, thank you for the tier 1. Appreciate that. How do I remove constant buffs like Sign of the Emissary or Sign of Azeroth? I don't know. I think I just removed the buff tracking off my nameplates, my unit frames though. Because I don't think I need that at all. Oh, rotation tracker, true. What's a good rotation tracker, guys? Is that, does anyone know of a good rotation tracker? Does RQI have it? Enhance QOL has one. Ah, okay. Enhance gameplay? No. Interface, action bars and buttons. Action tracker, enable. So where is it? Do I need to reload? That's the menu. Wait. The hell? What is this? It says menu, but Was it in central screen? No, that was something else, right? Targeted spells. Play Thane for pretty much everything at the moment, Gachi. You can play Slayer on the two pure single target bosses in the raid, I guess, if you want to be optimal. Spellbook top right. What? Single button assistant? What am I looking at? I'm looking for an action tracker. Just gonna reload. Oh, so it is in the middle of the screen. Right. How am I gonna get that? Fine. Position. So that'll be minus 66 and minus 195. Wait. Yeah. Cool. Then we'll put this above the keyboard cam. Okay. It's not perfect. It casts execute, or it shows execute twice. But this is usable. Yeah. Yeah, I'll move the extra action button, I guess. Thank you. Where's the extra action button? Bartender. Yeah, I'll do. Edit mode, action tracker, max icons is 5, that's fine. Icon spacing none. Fade duration. Maybe 3 seconds. Okay, that's too soon. Okay. Maybe increase that. Do like 6 seconds. Maybe 10 seconds. Just put it up to all the way to 10. Yeah. Action tracker, you can find it in an add-on called Enhance QOL. Not at the moment, Kiang, but I've just made this now, right? So give me some time. I'll probably work on it tomorrow again and see what I can do to share the UI, and I feel like I should make a video as well. Hey, Webster. Well, I wanted to fade because I don't want it to always show, you know. So once I stop casting, I want it to go away. It is just an action bar beneath my uniframes, correct? No, Upster, I haven't. When did you send it? Oh yes, I did see that. I'm happy with what I managed to do on my own though today. Oh shit! What? Why is this not locked? Why was that movable? Yeah, so the old focus macro that checked, like, you had a script that would check if the target was already marked with something else, and if it was marked with something else, your mark would not overwrite it, but you would still focus the target. The checking if it's already marked thing doesn't work anymore. So you just need to make a simple macro that does focus and mark. So it will overwrite. It's all RQI. Crazy. Like, all of this stuff in the middle is RQI. Can I share the macro? Yeah, sure. Macro. So for me, it's this. Obviously, just add the spaces yourself, and the number here represents the actual marker. So number 2 is orange. I want to change the rest that I can. Is this? What is this? Oh, that's raid, huh? I don't actually need to see that. UUF player indicators resting. Sure, I can have it, but it doesn't need to be like that. I think, yeah, fine. It can be like that. That's fine. UUF power player power bar. No, not power bar. Text tags. No. Okay. Tags and tag 3 should be rage. Right, thank you. So I'll just get rid of that. Perfect. I think I can have the power here just in case, because there will be bosses that have power and face or do a special ability when they have max. So, yeah. Details pushed another update. Oh. So they did. Update. I guess I'll just disable all these things in case that does anything. You're here to enjoy this show and earn your Murloc friend? Oh, of course. There are drops as well. I forgot about that. The Plater profile, the links are... It's outdated. It's outdated. Give me some time. Tomorrow I'll work on exporting stuff and I'll hopefully manage to make a video as well to go through some of the UI stuff. Okay. Oops. No, Mason. Think we're pretty much just not gonna do the paywall thing. I don't think it's worth it. If people wanna support the channel by doing subs themselves or whatever, they can do that. But I think we're just gonna put it on the Discord for free. Yeah. But give me some time. I'm just gonna post it as is, though, you know. If it doesn't translate well to other classes or it like becomes difficult to use if you're playing multiple classes, I will take no responsibility. My whirlwind buff is the blue bars here. Yeah, I'll post the list of add-ons used. Yep. You wonder if that doubling of execute in the action tracker can be fixed? Yeah, I wonder as well. You hope they fix the delay on Rampage? Yeah, it's really annoying, right? We've been fixing it with a weak aura this whole time, and now that we don't have weak auras to hard code the fix, basically, we're stuck with the delayed interaction with Rampage and Whirlwind. Now, the doubling of execute, I suspect that one of them is like a... I don't know, look, there are two spell IDs. I don't know. But I suspect it's because execute is often weird like this, and it used to have this separate refund and actual damage hit. I don't know if that's still the case now. Like, it used to have like a delay from cast to hit for no reason. They did fix that. But yeah, I don't know. The old details action tracker was really good at knowing when things are duplicates. Like, for example, Whirlwind. Aha! See, this one doesn't know about Whirlwind. Whirlwind also 3 hits, 3 casts. I guess it could be that. I think you can have multiple icons populating the same icon. So, like, for example, my plan here, when I'm not playing Avatar, is to have Bladestorm also on this thing. So whenever I'm playing Bladestorm, it will just replace the avatar with Bladestorm. I don't know if you will be able to do the same thing with yours. Like yeah, that's my workaround. I don't think there's any way to automate like you did with WeakAuras. No, I haven't sorted out arms yet, but I don't need to worry about arms just yet. So yeah, I'll leave it as is. But yeah, this has been good. It only took us like, I don't know, almost 4 hours to get here. But we made it here. I should play maybe an M+ or something tomorrow before raid, just to make sure that everything works. Because when I get into real combat, I'm sure I'll find something that I don't like or that I want to adjust. Oh, what button goes where if I switch? I don't know. That happens. I think I just need to place or even set it up all again for arms. But it's mostly done already, right? I just need to build it up again for arms. Yes, Greasy, he will. Right, I'm gonna call it here, but I would appreciate if you guys check out my sponsor up there. I didn't actually re-enable the thing, but it's Opera GX. Every new user does support me, and it is this browser that I've been using this whole, well, I've been using a long time now, actually, since I got sponsored the first time. It's a browser for gamers, basically. You can limit the amount of RAM and CPU that it uses in the background. It has Twitch integration. It has other integrations as well, which I don't use yet. Lots of other settings as well. But yeah, check it out with my link up there. Or use Opera GX, exclamation mark, Opera GX in the chat. Tomorrow, I will definitely work on getting some exports and stuff sorted for the UI so I can share it with you guys. I don't know how easy it will be to just export and import everything. Hopefully, all of the add-ons that I use have a feature like that. But if it doesn't, then it might be a little bit difficult. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.